All right, so here's the latest and greatest of my solar. I'm now at 700 amp hours of battery on my two POW Mr. solar inverters. Okay, so here we go. This is Mo. So say hello, Mo. So two solar arrays, Manny and Mo. So Manny consists of this tracker, 1200 watt. This tracker is 1600 watt. That's an additional 800 watt. Now over here, I've started to get my pool all on solar. So I've got this solar pool skimmer. This is a solar ionizer, and this is a solar pool robotic cleaner. And then I'm putting in a solar system over here. Just been working on it. So I've been so happy with solar, I got the solar bug. So I put up these 200 watt panels a while ago. I just got two additional 200 watt panels. I really like EcoWorthy. EcoWorthy, this is a fantastic company. Anyway, I started laying some strut. And I need some more pieces, so I ordered it on Amazon. So I actually upgraded, I keep upgrading this little box here. It's working great. It's got a 1500 watt inverter in it now. It's got a Victron Energy MPPT 120 charge controller. It's got a 50 amp hour 12 volt battery incorporated inside. And then I just added another 100 amp hour. This was a really easy solution. So I bought that, everything came on Amazon, I'll leave a link. So this connector, this Anderson connector for forklift, just came in a loop. I just cut it in the middle and both sides go right together. Connected one side to the battery, bought that weatherproof battery box, put on these weatherproof connectors, connected it right in. Okay, good, she's charging up. I got 3 green lights there, usually goes up to 5. Before it was just 2. And this is fantastic.